Hello and welcome to this video on what to eat if you have a stomach ulcer. If you are someone who suffers from stomach ulcers, you know how painful and uncomfortable they can be. The good news is that with some simple changes to your diet, you can help manage the symptoms of stomach ulcers and promote healing. First and foremost, it's important to avoid foods and beverages that can irritate the stomach lining and exacerbate symptoms. This includes spicy foods, acidic foods and drinks, such as citrus fruits and juices, coffee and soda, fatty foods and alcohol. Smoking can also aggravate stomach ulcers, so it's best to quit or at least reduce your smoking habits. Instead, focus on incorporating foods that are gentle on the stomach and can help promote healing. Here are some foods you may want to consider including in your diet. High-fiber foods, foods that are high in fiber, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, can help keep the digestive system moving and promote healthy bowel movements. Lean protein, foods that are high in lean protein, such as fish, chicken, turkey, and tofu, can help promote healing and provide essential nutrients. Fermented foods, foods that are fermented, such as yogurt and kefir, can help promote the growth of healthy bacteria in the gut, which can aid in digestion and promote healing. Low-fat dairy products, such as milk, cheese, and yogurt, can help coat and protect the stomach lining, reducing irritation and inflammation. Anti-inflammatory foods, foods that are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, such as ginger, turmeric, and olive oil, can help reduce inflammation in the stomach lining and promote healing. In conclusion, a stomach ulcer can be a painful and uncomfortable condition, but with some simple changes to your diet, you can help manage the symptoms and promote healing. By avoiding irritants and incorporating healing foods into your meals, you can take control of your health and feel better in no time. Thank you for watching this video on what to eat if you have a stomach ulcer. We hope you found this information helpful and that it has given you some ideas for how to improve your diet and manage your symptoms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.